Hey guys, it's Jordan here with JTD Outdoors, and as you can probably tell from, we are biking to our river here. We're gonna catch some pike for you guys. I don't know how good this video is gonna turn out because I'm not doing it on my GoPro because I forgot it. Yep, subscribe to the channel if you're new, and as always, let's see if we can smash up 3 likes. Let's see if you guys can do that. Okay, hey guys, we're at the secret spot. See if we can go slice some pike. What trail do you think I should take? Put down in the comments right now which trail I'm gonna take. Boop. Okay. See when the fish are caught. Well, folks, it's so shallow here, and this is why they call it the dam. And it stinks like dead fish here. So that may be good and may be bad. We're gonna cross and see if we can't catch some pike for you guys. We're like ninjas crossing this. Holy crap. One-handed. Tons of algae. This is the dam. Not much of a dam, but I mean, there is fish here. Especially a lot in spring. Some dead crawfish. We'll see if we can't cross this safely and then get back to you. Oh, there's dead fish. Okay. Okay, guys, let's clear this up. I just took Presley's rod, had a northern bite on. I'm sorry I didn't get the picture of the northern on the camera, but man, that's pretty nice looking. That little sunfish, he bit on there real good. Okay, guys. See you. Guys, I guaranteed again that I was gonna get a bite on this. First fish, got him on here. Unfortunately, I didn't get him all the way in, but I'm counting it. Okay. Well, guys, I guaranteed for the 4th time I'm gonna get a bite. And 4th guarantee, I got him. Nice fish. I'll get him out of the water and get a picture for you. Okay, guys. Nice little pike here. Guarantee it won't be the last. That's the Jordan guarantee. Let's get a release on this thing, Presley. There he goes. Back into the slimy weeds. Every time he has one, he loses it right over there. Oh, sad. Let's see if he can do it again. I almost guarantee if you cast it again, you'll get it. Okay, see you guys. It's been 5 minutes and he's still messing around with that dumb fish. He headed up to the shore. Yeah, that's him down there. A little salty. Well, I've caught 4 and he's caught 0, so let's see if he can't get this one. The water's so clear you can see it underwater. I don't know. Well, guys, we're leaving the spot. There's 2 northerns right in there. We can't get them, but we caught about, I don't know, we caught about 6 fish together. Just caught 1. Oh, I had one on. He didn't actually catch it. But over and out.